Well, hello there.
Earthbound Fan VR. VR games for fun.
And what's up, guys? It's EVFanatic31. We're also known as Earthbound Fan VR. And today, there's a new update in Ammo Company. And it's an update in the Creator Studios that bring back the Stage 6. That they just released Stage 6 into the game. So now we're gonna check this update out. Okay. Okay, so basically, Canopy Diner. Whoa, what is that next bot doing? That's weird. Sliced. Hello? Wait a minute, it does work? Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Is it working? Okay. What is this? Box? Looks a lot like a kitchen-like thing. This is like a restaurant-like place. Okay. This reminds me a lot reminds me of does remind me about Denny's. It's really cool. So that's all I had to say in this video. What I'm going to rate this update is a 9.5 out of 10. So make sure to comment on this video, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell and select all because it helps me a ton. Peace.